Moving on with our 3D environment, we're creating the exploded view of our last assembly, the clamp. Opening our set will habilitate the exploded view command, and we'll start to disassemble the set. Simple, like that. For doing that, we're going to select the part and indicate which axis it will follow. Then we're adding the distance needed. And that's it. The part will be moved to its original position. But what does that look like in practice? Well, let's take a look. First, we'll select the handle's head, and right after that, we'll select the referential axis. We can see the axis right here on the side, on this triad. Now that we've selected our part and its axis, we just need to add the measure of 70 millimeters for it to move. In the end, all you need to do is confirm the operation. If the direction we're moving the part is referenced by another set's part, like a face or axis, we can use the plane translation option. So now let's take a look at how it works. First, select the second handle's head. Then click on Plane Translation. That being done, we're selecting the handle, as it's our reference axis. Add the measure of 20 millimeters, and that's it. Another part disassembled from the set. Now we'll learn another way of using the Plane Translation command. This time, our part will be its own reference. Got it? Let's apply that to the handle. First, we're selecting the part and habilitating the command. Now you select the part again, so it can become its own reference. Last but not least, add 50 millimeters as the value. And that's it. Easy, right? Moving on, we're now disassembling the mobile backrest. With this one, we're not only disassembling, but we're also removing it from the assemble. We'll start just like our previous steps, selecting the part, the axis, and adding a measure. We'll then select the part again and select an axis that will move it out of the assemble, in this case, y-axis. The last part for us is to move the spindle. It won't be any different from what we've already done, so let's get into it. Select it and add the measure, like this. Another interesting tool is the connection lines, which can add guidelines to facilitate assembling the set. It's very simple to use. Click on it, and with OSnap, you need to select the reference which it will be positioned. Another cool thing you can do is add that explosion on a detailing sheet. All you need to do is follow these steps. First, open a new drawing and select the Insert 3D View option. Now, you just select the file you need and click on Insert Exploded View. To add balloons, we'll select the indication tool and add any necessary information. Done! Go ahead, discover other options. Let us know about your experience exploding the clamp set in the comments below. If you haven't downloaded our software yet, you can do it by clicking on the link on the description. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.